Good morning, students. Today's topic, Unit 8, Periodic Classification of Elements. Unit 8, Periodic Classification of Elements. Elements are present in the periodic table. What are the features of periods? Today's subtopic, features of periods. This is a periodic table. What are the features? Periods is called rows. This is a period. The left to right elements are arranged in a periodic table. This is called a period. This is first period. This is second period elements. Third period elements. Fourth period elements. This is fifth period. Sixth period. Then seventh period. Totally, it is classified into 7 periods. All of the elements in a period have the same number of atomic orbits. All of the elements in a period have the same number of atomic orbitals. Every element in the top row, that is the first period. This is the first period, that is a top row, has one orbital for its electrons. Hydrogen, only one electron in the outermost shell, it has only one orbit. Helium, so 2 electrons in the first shell, it has only one orbit. So in the every element in the top row, the first period has one orbital for its electrons. All of the elements in the second row, this is the second row, that is second period, have 2 orbitals for their electrons. It goes down the periodic table like that. This is the periodic table of the elements. Features of periods. The horizontal rows are called periods. This is horizontal rows. Left to right, the arrangements of elements in the periodic table, this is called periods. This is first period, second period, third period, fourth period, fifth period, sixth period, and seventh period. The horizontal rows are called periods. There are 7 periods in the periodic table. This is first period. First period, atomic number 1 and 2. This is the shortest period. It contains only 2 elements, that is hydrogen and helium. The first period, atomic number 1 and 2, the 2 elements, hydrogen and helium, is only present in the first period. So this is called shortest period. It has only 2 elements, so this is called shortest period. Hydrogen and helium are present in the first period. Second period, atomic number 3 to 10. This is a short period. The second period is called short period. It contains 8 elements, starting from lithium to neon. This is lithium to neon. The second period, atomic number 3. The atomic number of lithium is 3. Then atomic number of neon is 10. This is a short period. It contains 8 elements, lithium to neon. It contains 8 elements from lithium to neon. Because of that, there are 8 electrons in the second level, that is in the second stage. Then group 3. In the third period, atomic number 11 to 18. This is the third period. atomic number 11 to 18. This is also a short period. It contains 8 elements. This third period also contains only 8 elements. So this is called short period. The first period is called shortest period. Second and third period are called short period. It contains 8 elements starting from sodium to argon. Sodium, that is natrium. Sodium to argon. The third period, atomic number 11 to 18. The atomic number of sodium is 11 and up to 18, that is argon. This is also a short period. It contains 8 elements, sodium to argon. Then fourth period, atomic number 19 to 36. This is a long period. It contains 18 elements. It contains 18 elements starting from potassium to krypton. Potassium, that is K, to krypton. This includes 8 representative elements and 10 transition elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This includes 8 representative elements. This is called representative elements. And 10 transition elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So totally 10 transition elements are present in the fourth period. The fourth period, atomic number 19 to 36. This is a long period. It contains 18 elements starting from potassium to krypton. This includes 8 representative elements and 10 transition elements. Then fifth period. The fifth period, atomic number 37 to 54. 37 to 54. This is also a long period. It contains 18 elements starting from rubidium to xenon. This is a rubidium to xenon. Fifth period, atomic number 37 to 54. This is also a long period. It contains 18 elements starting from rubidium to xenon. This includes 8 representative elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 representative elements and 10 transition elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 transition elements. Then sixth period. Sixth period, atomic number 55 to 86. This is the longest period. This is the longest period. It contains 32 elements starting from cesium to radon. This includes 8 representative elements. 8 representative elements, 10 transition elements and 14 inner transition elements. This is called inner transition elements. Here 14 inner transition elements. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. So here sixth period, atomic number 55 to 86. So this is the longest period. It contains 32 elements cesium to radon. And this includes 8 representative elements, 10 transition elements, and 14 inner transition elements. Then 7th period. Atomic number 87 to 118. Like the 6th period, this period also accommodates 32 elements. Recently, 4 elements have been included by IUPAC. IUPAC means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So, in this 7th period, the atomic number 87 to 118. Like the 6th period, this period also accommodate 32 elements. Recently, 4 elements have been included by IUPAC. The first period is called shortest period. The second period and the third period called short period. And then fourth and the fifth period called a long period. Sixth period is the longest period. Like sixth period, the seventh period also accommodate 32 elements. So in the first period, only 2 elements are present. In the second period, this is the second period. In the second period, 8 elements are present. The third period, it contains 8 elements. And then fourth period contains 18 elements. Fifth period also 18 elements. Then sixth and seventh period both also contain 32 elements. So this is the features of periods. Thank you, students.